Hi folks, I'm going to do some information for you today. What a lot of you might not know is that where I live, there are a lot of unusual and sometimes dangerous creatures. One of them interrupted my video session the other day, added a little extra excitement to what was supposed to be just a simple range video. Take a look. Alright everybody, we're out here at the range today to put some holes in some paper. Not very exciting, but we're going to work on some fundamentals. I just needed some range time, and then we're going to... Wait a minute. I hear something. Let me take a look. Hold on. Yep. Alright, hold on. I'm going to show you what it is. Let me grab the camera. Right there. Right there, hold on. I'll zoom in. That's a mini lion. These creatures are very aggressive. I think we're okay. He seems to be moving on through, so we'll just get back to shooting some targets. Yeah, we'll get right back to our regular... Uh-oh, there he is. All right, got him. Whew. Man, I can't believe he just came right at us like that. Well, that was enough excitement for me today. I'm going to call it a day at the range and get back to the studio.